video, I'm going to unbox a package from Benevolence LA. It's actually a brand wherein they are selling jewelries and other products such as blankets and all. You can check all the products that they are selling in benevolence.la or benevolence.com. So in this video, I'll particularly show you the 3 products that I got from them. But first, before we get into that, I'm going to show you the packaging because I really like the packaging. First time that I received the package, I was like, whoa, I really like it. It's simple, yet it's like stunning. Like, look at that. It's simple. It's a combination of gold and this elegant blue. And that's, you know, it really caught my attention. I love it. I really love it. So yeah, since I already have one of the product, I got the Amethyst stone earrings. So this is the natural amethyst stone drop earring. It's $16.99 online. It's real amethyst, as you can see. I really love it when I touch it. It's really smooth. Really smooth. And it's actually a combination of gold plated over here. So I really love it. Let's try it. Oh, I have another earring. I haven't removed my earrings yet. See? I really love gold, so I love Benevolence. But don't get me wrong, they are selling other products too, not just color gold. So this is the earrings and we'll try it on. Look! I love it. It's so pretty. Let me try the other one. Ta-da! It's not focusing. I love the color. I love the color and the stone, the amethyst. So pretty. Not super long, it's just like fit. So cute, right? So next is this Warlock Off Bracelet. Here you go. It's $15. It's $15 and you can see the pattern. It's so cute, right? Pattern blue, beads inside, blue, gold, white. Let me show you again. Not zooming. Can you see it? It's so pretty, right? Ta-da! I hope I'm not gonna lose it. Well, this is perfect gift. Perfect gift for your mother, to your best friend, teenager, you know, it's really pretty. And let's move on to the next one, which I think my favorite. It's still in the box. I'm trying to remove it. Ta-da! It's the Dara Pearl Bracelet. Aside from it's pearl and gold, which is my favorite, it has whole adjustment, like strap over here. Adjust it, just press it like that and move it. So I'm pretty sure it fits me because you can adjust it whatever you like or however you like. So let's try it. So cute. I love it so much. So if you're looking for this Dara Pearl Bracelet, it's $19.97 and you can see it on their website, and also they are selling it in Amazon, so you can check it out. I think that's all for today. I got this amethyst or natural amethyst stone dropping earrings, so pretty, and the Warlock Off Bracelet. You can use it in any occasion, and you can give as a gift as well. And my favorite, the bracelet, the Dara Pearl bracelet. So I hope that you like this video. Click the like button, and for more upcoming videos about the products that I receive or I'm receiving, then subscribe to my channel because there's a lot more. Thank you and have a great day. Goodbye.